Neo Ruler Go, the smart pocket ruler for every task. The Neo Ruler Go is a cool little gadget that makes measuring things fast, fun, and super easy. It's a digital rolling ruler that fits right in your pocket, but don't let its small size fool you. It's packed with power. Just roll it over any surface, flat or curved, and it instantly gives you an accurate measurement with up to plus 1 millimeter precision. Whether you're a DIYer, designer, student, or just someone who loves useful tools, this ruler is made for you. It has a bright 1.14-inch color screen that clearly shows your measurements in both metric and imperial units. It comes with 93 built-in measurement scales for different uses, like maps, models, and crafts. And you can even add your own custom ones. You can also connect it to your phone via Bluetooth using the Mizor app to save and organize your measurements. Neuralink. Neuralink, a brain tech company started by Elon Musk in 2016, is working on a device that could change the way we live, think, and interact with technology. Their main invention, called the Link, is a small coin-sized chip that gets implanted into the skull. It connects directly to the brain using tiny, flexible wires that can read and send signals between your brain and a computer. This means you could one day control your phone, computer, or even video games using just your thoughts. No hands needed. But Neuralink isn't just about cool tech. The company hopes this device could help people with brain disorders like epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and depression. They're even working on an app that lets users type or move a mouse using only their brain. It's an exciting step toward merging the human mind with machines, but there are still concerns about safety, privacy, and how this might affect people in the long run. Nimbus 1 EV. The Nimbus 1 EV is a cool and compact electric vehicle that's perfect for city life. It's a three-wheeled mini car that's as easy to drive as a scooter, but offers the safety and comfort of a regular car. It comes with seatbelts, a full roof, doors, windshield wipers, and even heating and cooling, so you can ride comfortably in any weather. This little EV can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour and travel up to 90 miles on a single charge, making it great for daily commutes or running errands. It uses a 9 kilowatt electric motor and plugs into a regular outlet, so you can charge it easily at home. What makes the Nimbus 1 really fun is that it leans into turns like a motorbike, giving you a smooth and exciting ride. Inside, there's space for one driver and one passenger, along with a bit of room for your backpack or groceries. It's also super easy to park, taking up only a quarter of a normal car space. Nuclear-powered sky hotel. The nuclear-powered sky hotel is a mind-blowing idea that combines luxury travel with futuristic technology. This giant flying hotel is powered by nuclear fusion, allowing it to stay in the sky for months without needing to land or refuel. It's like a floating five-star resort in the clouds. Guests can enjoy everything from large, window-filled rooms with stunning sky views to gourmet restaurants, swimming pools, shops, and even a fitness center, all on board. What's really cool is how guests get on and off. Small planes fly up and connect to the hotel mid-air, so you can come and go while it's still flying. It offers a one-of-a-kind vacation experience where the journey is just as exciting as the destination. With ever-changing views and unmatched comfort, it feels like living in a dream high above the earth. But this level of luxury doesn't come cheap. Rooms start at around $50,000 per night, and the price goes even higher for luxury suites and extra perks. Plan a hybrid. The Plana Hybrid is an exciting leap into the future of air travel. Designed as an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, it blends the benefits of a helicopter and an airplane in one sleek, eco-friendly package. What makes Plana special is its hybrid power system, combining electric batteries with a fuel-based generator. This gives it longer range, faster speeds, and less downtime between flights compared to fully electric models. Perfect for city-to-city travel, the Plana Hybrid can carry up to 6 people and fly distances of around 500 kilometers. It takes off and lands vertically like a drone, so it doesn't need a runway, making it ideal for urban environments. Inside, passengers can expect a quiet, smooth ride in a comfortable cabin designed for both short business trips and quick personal getaways. Prodrone PD-6B AW ARM, a powerful flying machine for the future. The Prodrone PD-6B AW ARM is an advanced drone designed to take off and land vertically, just like a helicopter. It can be flown manually by a pilot or operated automatically using autopilot technology. Available in different versions, it offers flight ranges between 60 to 150 meters, depending on the model. This drone isn't just built for show, it's meant to carry real weight. Whether it's transporting cargo or people, this drone is ready for the job. The company behind it believes it will soon play a major role in urban air mobility, helping to reduce traffic and save precious time by flying over crowded roads. Imagine receiving packages by air or having emergency supplies flown directly to a location that's hard to reach by car. That's the future this drone is aiming for. Pika Pelican Cargo, the future of electric cargo flights. The Pika Pelican Cargo is a powerful and fully electric cargo plane that's changing the way goods are delivered. Built for fast, clean, and smart transportation, this drone-like aircraft can fly up to 200 miles on a single charge while carrying up to 400 pounds, 181 kilograms of cargo. Its large nose-loading bay makes it easy to load and unload packages, even in remote areas. It's perfect for quick deliveries to places where traditional vehicles can't easily go. The Pelican Cargo runs on 4 electric motors powered by a 50 kilowatt-hour battery, which can be recharged in about an hour or swapped out in just 5 minutes. It only needs a short runway and can land on grass, gravel, or pavement. No fancy airport required. It flies completely on its own, using smart sensors like LiDAR, radar, and GPS. Qatar Doha Monster Bus. The Qatar Doha Monster Bus is an exciting and fun way to explore the stunning deserts of Qatar. This massive vehicle is specially designed for desert adventures, offering a mix of thrill and comfort. With its gigantic tires and strong suspension, it easily drives over high dunes and rough sandy paths, giving passengers a smooth and exciting ride through the desert. Inside, the Monster Bus is just as impressive. It has large, comfortable seats, air conditioning to keep you cool, and big panoramic windows so you can enjoy amazing views of the golden desert around you. Whether you're with friends, family, or on a solo adventure, this tour gives you a unique chance to see Qatar's beautiful desert in a whole new way. The best part? It's budget-friendly too. Tickets start at around $75 per person. The Monster Bus Desert Tour is perfect for those looking for a unique and memorable experience in Qatar. Revo Hubless E-Bike. The Revo Hubless E-Bike is a modern, eye-catching electric bike that looks straight out of the future. What makes it truly unique are its hubless wheels. Yes, the center of the wheels is completely empty. This sleek design isn't just for looks, though. It's paired with smart technology to make riding fun, safe, and easy. The Revo comes with a strong 750-watt motor that helps you ride up to 25 miles per hour, making it great for city commuting or fun weekend rides. The battery gives you up to 37 miles on one charge and can be removed easily for charging at home or in the office. It's lightweight yet tough, built to handle daily use without slowing you down. This e-bike is packed with smart features like fingerprint unlock, GPS tracking, and an anti-theft system to keep it secure. It also has built-in lights in the wheels and frame, so you can ride safely even at night. The Float is a futuristic concept vehicle that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. With its round, bubble-like shape and transparent body, it's designed to offer a full 360-degree view while gliding smoothly above the ground using magnetic levitation. That means no wheels, just a quiet, floating ride that's perfect for busy cities. It's stylish, sleek, and completely different from anything we see on roads today. Built for comfort and group travel, the Float can carry several passengers at once. One of its coolest features is its modular design. Multiple pods can connect or separate easily, making it flexible for different travel needs. Whether you're riding solo or with a group, it adapts to your situation. Even though it's just a concept right now and not available to buy, the Float shows us what the future of urban transportation might look like. Smooth, eco-friendly, and incredibly cool.